We're excited to be launching our newest product. It's called the Undersink Crossover. And here it is right here. What it is a retrofit for an existing house that does not have a dedicated return line. And you install this little crossover valve underneath the fixture that's the farthest away from your water heater where it takes the longest to get hot water. It's a very simple retrofit. You don't need any power underneath your sink. And it allows the cold water from your hot side to cross over in the cold line. So essentially, we're using your cold water pipe as a return. So once the pump turns on by either a wireless button or a wireless motion sensor, the pump is pushing the hot water from the hot side into the cold side. When it sees about a 6-degree rise in temperature on this sensor, it's going to send a wireless signal back to the pump to turn off, because that 6-degree rise in temperature means that the 120-degree water is only a few seconds away. So this turns the pump off and it keeps the hot side hot, but it prevents the hot water going into your cold water line.